How's it going, Mike? Just testing it out. Aid, having a good day?
Excellent.
Yeah, I've got a few cars here. Castle Combe, 1st of May, 2026. MT3 UK. Nigel's here as well. Not on the track, but having a good time. Yeah. Got a few cars here, as you can probably see. Cars being worked on. Mountain Pass Performance are here. TAKEOVER are here. Let's see what's going on over here. We've got all sorts going on here. Doing a bit of filming. What's going on here? Look. Mountain Pass. Look, it's the lovely gold wheels. People. Hey. Look, it's a good day, look. People are going out. Oh, good stuff.
Yeah, mate, you're right.
Hello, Jim. Where's
Going,
your car?
guys?
How's it going?
You been out yet?
Just looking at the stripped out Model 3.
I love it. I really want one now. Like, mine might be like that soon. Let's see. There's banger Model 3, which is awesome. Andy, so I'm just testing this out. Hey, Andy.
How's it going?
How's it going? All good?
Yeah, I think I might go out on track in a minute.
Okay. Shall I come with you?
Yeah,
I've got a helmet.
Yeah, come on then.
Yeah. All right, ready. I'm just testing this thing out. Right, everyone's having fun while my car is broken, bricked, in fact. And there's Dave.
Nice.